welcome back to the show. And today, we're gonna pimp some rides featuring the Stubby from Milwaukee and the Dewalt impact socket set 23-piece half-inch drive metric and SAE. And as always, you can find the links in the description below. Starting off easy. This is a 2007 Ford 3-star Legend. Well, that alternator is a little bit too easy. Let's speed this game up just a little bit. That's the stubbornness we prefer. I can dig that. Who this? Ah, it's Mommy. Let's get this game to a new level. How about a comparison between a Ratchet and an impact wrench? Sounds legit, right? Let's find out. As you can see, the Ratchet can do it. No, that's deep. And again, it can handle it. I need some time to unpack this. Gee, we need to get more of that.